Meaning of damnedest.
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 Damnedest. The word damnedest is an adjective used to describe something that is extreme or unusual. It is often used to convey a sense of surprise or disbelief about a particular situation or outcome. For example, someone might say that was the damnedest thing I've ever seen to express their shock or amazement at something that defies explanation. The use of damnedest suggests that whatever is being described is beyond the norm or expected, and is likely to be memorable or remarkable in some way.